Well, I think you try to follow the interest rates and where interest rates are, and I think most people have been taking the 5-year fixed over the last 40 years, but really even more aggressively over the last 3 or 4 years, because we hit the 5-year fixed at below 2.5% for most of that time. And when you're getting that long of a period with that low of an interest rate, why not take advantage of it? The other thing too is that the difference between a 2 or 3 year versus a 5-year is very minimal. So why would you chance taking a shorter term for just a slightly lower rate when you can take a longer term and have your payments set and not worry about what potentially could happen with the interest rate environment over the long term? And then the question is, why wouldn't somebody go for a 10-year term instead of a 5-year term if they really want that peace of mind? Because the difference between the 5-year and the 10-year has been about 1.5 to 2 percentage points. So that's a big jump in rate. I think if the gap was less between a 5 and a 10-year, we'd see more people go for the 10-year. But when the gap's as large as it is, I think most people will lean towards the 5-year. And the other part, when you own a rental property, you're trying to make, at least you're trying to be cash flow positive or neutral. And the longer term you take and the higher the rate, then that cuts into your potential, your balance sheets. But again, it's guessing at what the interest rates are going to be, and that's the challenge.